This video shows how to clone the Audi 6HP Gearbox through ACDP and ACDP2. Power on the ACDP. Open the ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device is connected. Click Module. Click K-Line Module Clone. Click on the help of 6HP Bosch VAG. Connect ACDP with the device correctly according to the help documentation. The overall connection diagram is shown in the figure. Click 6HP Bosch VAG. Click Identify. Click OK. Click Continue. Confirm the system information and save a screenshot. Click Continue. Confirm the system information and save a screenshot. Click OK. Identify chip info finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Full Backup Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Confirm the system information and save a screenshot. Click Continue. Attention, save the chip data. Click OK. This is the storage path for the backup files. Attention, backup file name. Click Save a file. Click OK. Backup chip data finish. Click OK. Click OK. As shown in the figure, connect another 6HP Gearbox, preparing to write the original files. Click Full Write Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Confirm the system information and save a screenshot. Click Continue. Click OK. Select the backed up original car data. Do not disconnect the power or unplug the device during the process of writing the original vehicle data. Click Continue. Data writing successful. Click OK. Click OK. Thank you for watching.